The People's Project. We've seen these kinds of projects make people millions. And here's another one. Make sure to watch this entire video because a small amount of money can bring you in millions. The opportunities is endless. The link will be down in the description and follow the channel for more. But stay tuned because this you don't want to miss.
How do you get paid? So, here's how it works. First thing, when you sign up, you'll pay just a single, one-time ever out-of-pocket $28 in BUSD to join. $3 goes to admin, which takes care of all the servers, website, and some overhead. Once the payment is made, you are placed in a holding tank. Your first objective is to get just a minimum of 2 people to join you with the same $28 BUSD contribution as well. Please keep in mind, we're using an instant payment system with the MetaMask and the Binance Smart Chain. There's some minimal gas fees that will be required for every transaction to be sent instantly. This enables you to receive every single payment in just seconds. This is a small price to pay for full automation and to receive all your payments immediately through the blockchain. Every payment you receive on your journey here will be paid to your personal MetaMask wallet in the form of BUSD, which can easily be converted to cash, or you can just stack your crypto. Now that you've got your 2, you are removed from the holding tank and given your official spot in your inviters board number 1. Now it's time to make some money. Board 1 entry is $25. You enter at the top in position 1, you bring in 2, so they are in position 2 and 3 right under you. On the bottom row are positions 4, 5, 6, and 7. This is called the pay line. As the bottom pay line fills up, this is what happens. Those 4 pay line spots are all paying $25. The very first payment on your pay line of $25 is reserved for you. The second and third payments combine and $50 is used for your upgrade to the second board. The fourth payment is used to re-enter you in board 1 again, which is $25. All 3 payments are dispersed automatically in a single action as soon as all 6 spots are filled. Just remember, each person that joins must get their 2 to be removed from the holding tank and get placed on your board. Now that you've upgraded to the $50 board, you will now and forever get 3 payments on board 1 of $75. Because you are fully qualified for life on board 1 and never have to pay an upgrade fee to board 2 again. So, you can cycle board number 1 over and over unlimited times and receive $75 each time your matrix fills. Every board will fill with a combination of your efforts and the efforts of the people yours bring in, and even some from the people who are above you. This is true global teamwork. Now this happens with all the boards 1 through 14. Let me give you a few more examples. Now that you're on board 2 with an entry of $50, as the board fills just like board 1, you'll receive 4 payments again, like board 1, but this time each payment is $50. $50 goes to you. The second and third payment goes to your upgrade to board 3, which is $100. Fourth payment of $50 re-enters you back on board 2 with that $50. Again, never having spent any additional money out of your own pocket besides the original $28 you paid in the beginning. Now you are fully qualified on board 1 and 2, never having to pay the fees to re-enter 1 and 2. The second time around on board 1, you earn $75, and board number 2, $150, over and over. Keep in mind, this is just board 1 and 2. We have 14 boards. You could be cycling multiple times per day on each board, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, over and over, while at the same time you're climbing the next boards. Let's look at a couple more examples. You're moving right along, and you cycled boards 1 through 6, about to graduate to board number 7. Now, this gets very exciting. Board 7 is a $1,600 board. On board 7, $1,600 goes to you. The second and third goes towards your upgrade to board 8. And last payment of $1,600 pays your re-entry into board 7 to get paid again. But remember, instead of one payment of $1,600, every time through after the first, you get 3 payments of $1,600, totaling $4,800. Okay, now you're qualified on boards 1 through 8. The second time through and every time you re-enter, you will always receive 3 payments instead of 1. And the fourth will automatically re-enter you so you can keep getting paid on every board over and over. Here's what you make for your second cycle and every cycle after that over and over. Board 1, second time through, pays $75. Board 2, $150. Board 3, $300. Board 4, $600. Board 5, $1,200. Board 6, $2,400. Board 7, $4,800. Board 8, $9,600. Wow, and we're only halfway. Let me show you a few more so you really understand the power of the People's Project. But before we do, I'd like to share something profound. We understand that everyone has different goals in life. Some goals require more money than others. Whatever your goals are, the People's Project can and will help you achieve them. We can tell you from 15 years' experience that once you get started, you'll quickly witness the power of what you have in your hands right now. We've seen incredible things happen for everyday people like you and me, and in less time than you can imagine. You have been gifted with an opportunity that can change your life and the lives of your family. We've seen people pay off credit cards, car loans, college education, even pay off your home and become 100% debt-free. Especially when your position gets pushed through to these next levels, this is where real generational wealth can be made. And as we reveal the really juicy stuff, please keep in mind you're welcome to invite as many people as you want. Each person you invite will permanently follow you through each board, which in turn speeds up the rate at which you cycle every board again and again. However, you don't have to be some kind of superstar recruiter to get there. All you need is two. Just make sure the people you do invite are joining you with the same intention, which is simple. Invite at least two people you want to set financially free. If you help enough people get what they want, you'll always have what you want in life. This is a fundamental law of the universe. This is the payout of each board after your first cycle. This can happen over and over on all 14 boards and can happen at the same time. These boards can potentially pay out multiple times a month or even multiple times every week, along with the others that could potentially be paying out multiple times per day, all at the same time. So check it out. After you've paid your way into each of these boards, here's the payout from each time you cycle every time after the first. Board 9, $19,200. Board 10, $38,400. Board 11, $76,800. Board 12, $153,600. Now, you get the idea these numbers get big real fast. Again, just remember that all boards 1 through 12 are now activated, meaning that some or all boards are cycling at the same time. And now you're about to graduate to the biggest payouts of the People's Project. Okay, now buckle your seatbelts. Let's do the final two boards, 13 and 14. Board 13 pays out a whopping $102,400 the first time you cycle. And Board 13 pays out a tidy sum of $307,200 every time after that. $204,800 is reserved from the first time through Board 13 to enter you into the final upgrade to Board 14. Now, Board 14 is the top board, therefore, no more upgrade money is taken out, even your first time through. So, $204,800 times 3 goes into your pocket. The last one re-enters you right back in for another cycle through. $614,400 on the 14th board, every single time. There is something very important and incredibly powerful to understand as you progress, so pay close attention. The reason this model is so powerful is because each person that joins using your link will permanently follow you from board to board, and their people will follow them, and so on. This creates a snowball effect because each time your people cycle, every one of them is automatically placed in the first open position of all boards you are on, quickly filling those 6 spots needed for the system to trigger a payment to you. This starts happening faster and more frequently as you and your referrals progress. This phenomenon is truly a sight to behold. Once you see these payments hitting your MetaMask wallet faster and faster, you'll quickly understand how powerful the momentum becomes. Let's quickly recap the payouts you'll receive from each board every time after your first cycle. Keep in mind, these payouts can land in your wallet from different boards, often simultaneously. Board 1 pays $75. Board 2, $150. Board 3, $300. Board 4, $600. Board 5, $1,200. Board 6, $2,400. Board 7, $4,800. Board 8, $9,600. Board 9, $19,200. Board 10, $38,400. Board 11, $76,800. Board 12, $153,600. Board 13, $307,200. Board 14 pays out $614,400 the first time and every time through after. That means just a single cycle through all 14 boards pays out a combined $1.2 million directly to your MetaMask wallet, which you can easily convert to cash anytime. And remember, there is no limit to the number of times you can cycle each board. This is all possible with a one-time contribution of $28 out of pocket and not a cent more. Incredible, I know, but we've seen it work for millions of people over the last 15 years. The People's Project takes this time-tested, proven concept to a whole new level that no one has ever seen before. But for this to work and for you to get these income levels, you must bring in two people that also see what you see and desire a better life for themselves and lives for others. Never has there been a plan out there that requires only a one-time $3 admin fee just to keep the systems and software running. Remember, we've designed this for you, the people. We're in this project right alongside you. We designed this to truly benefit everyone. No matter who you are or what you're looking for in life, this is a simple way to not only achieve your goals, but truly make a direct financial difference in the lives of others. We are a community of people who want to enrich the lives of millions around the world. We all win when we shift our focus on lifting each other up. Click the link to get started right now. We'll guide you through step by step. All you need is a smartphone or computer and the desire to show at least two people a time-tested path to true financial freedom. Welcome to the People's Project.
The opportunity, $28, two people, a possible $1.2 million. Are you going to take the opportunity or are you going to let it run past? Link will be down in the description. Enjoy the gains.